Very good morning, everyone. So, Selvakumar here. I'm heading engineering and design at Power Projects, a power system consulting organization provides power system consulting services. Let me thought of sharing my experience on the job opportunities available in the core sector, especially for the electrical and electronic students. There is always a thought that electrical and electronic students doesn't have much core opportunities, or the number of companies coming to the college campus is limited. But based on my 15 years of experience in power sector, more specifically on the electrical hot core sector power, I have transformed from conventional energy to the renewables, then to energy storage and microgrids and the electric vehicles nowadays. So there is a plenty of opportunities are there in the core sector. So I thought of, sharing my ideas with the college faculty, students, and friends, so that means what to say, it helps them to understand what are the opportunities available in their sector itself before looking at the other sectors like IT. Right? In a core sector, you have multiple of opportunities. As I told, core jobs can be categorized in this image. Let me highlight one by one. So there are plenty of opportunities are there. There is an opportunity in design. When we say design of any product or probably means any projects, everything. And of course manufacturing sector offers quite a lot of opportunities. Means you take any equipments like start from generator, transformers, motors, cables, transmission lines, instrument transformers like CTs, VTs, lightning arresters. So that there's quite a lot. And now renewables also growing, so wind turbine generators, solar inverters. So means all these opportunities are there in across the sector. So it is really important to understand in the renewable alone has provided about 11 million jobs in the year 2019. 11 million jobs in 2019 alone across the globe. So that's not a small number. I have talked about only one renewable sector. Similarly, means what to say, core engineers doesn't need to focus the renewables. There is a conventional power plants, process industries, commercial buildings, quite a lot, right? And nowadays, thanks to this quite a lot of initiatives from the government in India, like smart cities, there also we are getting quite a lot of opportunities. So design, manufacturing, engineering, you can say almost the engineering for the entire world is done by India. Like if you take any major multinationals like GE, Siemens, ABB, everybody has engineering office in India for the better talent or a right talent. So means we have a very good opportunities in engineering. And engineering is done, then project move to the next stage like erecting the equipment, testing the equipment, commissioning that equipments. You can even take Chennai alone, we have about 300 plus testing and commissioning companies are there. So there is a huge opportunities in erection, testing, commissioning. Once that is done, the project will be handed over to the customer. Operation maintenance is another area where probably means process industries and conventional power plants needs quite a lot of people for operational maintenance. And the last but not least very important thing is a consulting job, which is like where I'm in that sector. So we offer just a consulting services to for the customers to solve the problems. There is also plenty of opportunities are there in the consulting, and India has witnessed means a huge jump in this consulting business. And the entire world is trusting means what's the solution which we are providing for the customers. So electrical students in my view can really focus on the core sector, and this helps also to understand what are the opportunities available in the core sector. Yeah, thanks. Then I'm signing off with my contact ID, contact numbers and email IDs, and where we are set up. Okay.